channel.
Hello kids, today we are going to learn sound. Nicola has always wanted to go fishing with her grandfather. But up till now, he has always said, "No, you'll get bored and you'll make too much noise and you will scare the fish away. You can come when you get bigger." But now, Nicola is 5 and her grandfather has agreed to take her fishing for an afternoon. Grandfather sets up the fishing rod and puts his net in the pond. Then he places a bucket on the ground and they both settle down to fish. Nicola sits very still and waits very quietly. She watches all the birds and insects flying around the pond. It is very peaceful. Suddenly, Nicola and her grandfather hears a very loud and a very nasty noise. A plane is flying overhead. The plane does a noisy loop-the-loop in the sky above them. Grandfather doesn't like the nasty noise and puts his hand over his ears. Nicola looks at her grandfather and laughs. "You were worried that I would make too much noise. Even I am never that noisy." And with a swoop and a swirl, she runs up and down on the bank pretending that she is a plane.
Net.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
Words beginning with sound. Net, 9, nap, nose, nest, neck, nut, nail, nose, needle, newspaper, necklace, sa, da, na, nap, pan, nip.
Thank you for watching.